If you're battling with bleached skin, damaged skin caused by bleaching creams, today is your lucky day because I'll be showing you how to repair your damaged bleached skin and what to use on your skin in order to make your skin glow. Hi guys, hi loves, hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nini Beauty. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to repair your bleached skin. So if your skin is damaged as a result of bleaching cream or skin bleaching, there is no cause for alarm because I'll be showing you what to use after bleaching your skin in order to make your skin glow. So if you're interested, you should just keep on watching. The desire for a lighter complexion has led a whole lot of people into skin bleaching, and some others did not even make a conscious decision to bleach their skin. They just found themselves unknowingly using bleaching creams on their skin prescribed by cosmetic sellers. One thing you should know is that most of those bleaching creams contain harsh chemicals like hydroquinone, steroid, mercury, and that is why a number of countries have banned the use of bleaching products because of the dangers associated with them. So if you're using any products on your skin, I will always advise you do a patch test. Apply the particular lotion or cream for 1 week at a particular spot just to know how this particular lotion works, because when your skin gets damaged, it doesn't have to look this bad or this bad or this bad for you to know that your skin is damaged. Most times, signs of a damaged skin can be dryness, flaky skin, dull skin, fine lines, wrinkles, visible green veins, blue veins, uneven skin tone. Sometimes it might be rashes, dark marks, or sunspots that are popping out on your skin. So whenever you notice any unusual change on your skin, you want to be conscious and take it seriously, because skin bleaching is not in any way beneficial to your skin. Rather, it will end up damaging your skin. So if your skin has been damaged by a bleaching cream, or you mistakenly bleached your skin and now you want to repair your skin and return back your skin back to its color, the first thing you need to do is to discontinue the use of that particular product. Like most people using bleaching products, sometimes they act adamant when you tell them to discontinue this particular cream or lotion. Like, why would you continue using a particular product that is making your face light and your other body parts are dark? And instead of discontinue this particular cream or lotion, you're going around to look for a different solution altogether to lighten the other dark areas. Like, seriously. Anyways, what I'm saying now is you should discontinue that particular product, okay? So the next step I'll be showing you guys is my step-by-step routine and product recommendations that will help to tackle and repair your damaged bleached skin. So the first product I'll be recommending for you if you really want to repair your bleached skin is an aloe vera gel. This is like one of the easily accessible products that you can use to treat or repair your damaged skin. The aloe vera gel have anti-inflammatory properties, so it's very soothing on the skin. It helps to soothe and repair the skin. It's very good in treating sunburn, dryness caused by bleaching products. I recommend buying this particular one that comes in a plastic container because you get to use it anytime that you want without much struggle. But if you cannot really afford to buy this particular one that is sold at the price of 900, 1000 naira, you can get the plants and use, okay? This aloe vera gel will help to moisturize your skin, blend your skin, repair your skin. It's very good if you have acne on your face. Like, this aloe vera gel is really a must have. So if you want to use this aloe vera gel to treat your damaged skin, all you have to do is to cleanse your skin, and once you're done cleansing your skin, massage this aloe vera gel into your skin. Then you can go ahead to apply your moisturizer or body serum. Okay, like you can decide to use this particular aloe vera plant in the morning and at night, but I advise you use it in the evening when your skin goes into its repair mode. Okay, and that's around evening times. So the second product I'll be recommending if you really want to repair your bleached skin is shea butter. Shea butters have a high concentration of fatty acids and vitamins that helps to promote the production of collagen on the skin. So this shea butter, it have a buttery texture, like I can't find my own, I would have shown you guys, that helps to penetrate, moisturize and hydrate the skin. It has these healing properties. Okay, it helps to moisturize, hydrate and repair your damaged skin. Like applying shea butter on your skin will make your skin very soft. It's very suitable for both dry skin, oily skin, combination skin and all skin types. It's very suitable in treating rough skin, dry skin, stretch marks on the skin, wrinkles and blemishes on the skin. Although some people complain that it darkens their skin, so I suggest you apply a sunscreen after applying your shea butter if you're going out, or you can use it in the evening times when your skin have gone into its healing mode. Okay, and when buying shea butter, you want to go for the raw shea butter instead of getting the refined or processed shea butter. So all you have to do is to apply the shea butter once you're done cleansing your skin. Okay, so you can actually use it in the evening. Like applying shea butter on your skin will help to replenish your skin overnight, so it's better applied in the evening time. So the third product I'll be recommending for you guys if you really want to repair your bleached skin and make it glow is body oils. Using the penetrative healing oils daily will help to repair your bleached skin, and some of these oils include castor oil. Like this is one of the best healing oils there is. It's very nice in treating chemically damaged skin because of its ability to draw out toxins and penetrate deeply into the skin. So this particular body oil is very nice when it comes to repairing bleached damaged skin. And other oils that will also help in repairing your bleached skin is vitamin E oil, cold pressed coconut oil, and your extra virgin olive oil, your jojoba oil. A lot of people say it's not jojoba oil. So all these oils, they are very effective in restoring and repairing your bleached or damaged skin. So the fourth product I'll be recommending for you guys is that will help to repair your skin and give you that glow is the lavender oil. I did not want to mix this particular oil with the other oils because it's an essential oil. If skin bleaching have caused rashes on your skin, lavender oil will help to soothe it. It has those antiseptic properties that make it an excellent product in repairing damaged bleached skin. It will heal your skin without leaving any form of scars on your skin. If you have skin burn and rashes on your skin, all you need to do is to take a cotton pad or cotton wool and apply your lavender oil to the affected area after cleansing your skin. It will make your skin feel and look better. So all those products that I've mentioned will help to repair your damaged bleached skin. So if you're looking for a quick fix, these products will not give you an overnight miracle. They will not repair your skin overnight. You have to be consistent in order to see the effects of this particular product. If you want your skin to repair itself, you need to feed your skin from within, and that is why I advise taking skin supplements, that vitamin C supplements, zinc supplements, if you want your skin to heal itself. So I have a video on that. I'll be linking that up here. So one thing you would like to note is that the skin is resilient. So what you feed your skin is what it gives out. So I advise you take a lot of fruits and vegetables this period. So at this point in time, you really want to avoid skin lightening products. Go for more moisturizing products because a damaged epidermis requires moisture now more than ever. You want to consume a lot of water at this point to hydrate your skin, and you want to reach out for moisturizing soaps, creams and lotions. So I actually have a video on that, so I think I'll be linking the video up here. So if you really want to repair your bleached skin and give it that glow and prevent your skin from getting dark, sunscreen is a must-have if you want to repair your skin. So all those products, they will help to repair your skin. All you need is consistency, and you will see results within 2 to 3 months of consistent use. So if you're using these products to treat and repair your skin, you don't have to be scared of getting dark. When you're repairing your skin is bound to darken, because your skin might get dark in the process, but that does not mean anything because you're repairing your skin. So what you want to do is to focus on repairing your skin first. Then I think I'll be making a video on how to lighten your skin properly. If you have any questions, you can drop them right in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video so that other people can get to see it. We have basically come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.